Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and sources so you don't chase phantom problems. Plug in and confirm cables, then set both device and app volume to about 50% as a neutral baseline. This prevents sudden loud jumps. Once done, disable mute and turn off limiters or aggressive EQ presets because they mask true-level changes. Listen briefly to a familiar track so you can judge changes, and note current loudness so you know whether future steps actually increase volume. Now focus on gain staging. Adjust the speaker gain or amplifier trim slowly, 1 to 2 clicks at a time, because big moves create distortion. Simultaneously use device output and app-level controls to share the load. This reduces clipping risk. Once you raise levels, test at low, medium, and near max positions while watching meters for red indicators. If you see clipping, back off slightly and compensate with EQ or compressor attack/release. This keeps clarity while you increase perceived loudness. Finish by locking in settings. Set device and speaker volumes after a final listening pass so you get consistent loudness each time. Make sure to apply mild compression if you need perceived loudness without harsh peaks. Compression tames transients and lets you raise average level. If distortion appears, reduce gain and reevaluate. If there's no sound, recheck inputs, fuses, and speaker impedance matching because mismatches mute or damage systems. One key tip: when trouble persists, swap cables and sources to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.